What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Our friend SPX has been listed to Coinbase. Very exciting times. We're sitting at $1.45. We're up 3.10 on the day. Seeing market cap 1.34, 1.35 billion, 25 volume, 55 million. If we look at the chart, I'm counting 3 waves off the low. Now this can already be 5 waves because it's hit the 161.8. So you could look at that as the top of the 3, 4, 5. So if you were to see a larger pullback, a deeper pullback, then the 5 waves are already complete. But I think we're just looking at an overextended wave 3. So within the wave 3 are 5 waves. Bruh, get it together. Here we go. Wave 1 to the upside. This is the wave 3, wave 2 pullback, wave 3, wave 4, potentially wave 5 to complete that wave 3 at the 261.8 at $1.46. Now, if we just see a push from here, then we can complete the 5 waves, or a bit of a shallow pullback and then a push back to the upside. But seeing that first 5 waves off the low is a sign that the correction is complete and things are going to turn around. If we fail to create that 5 waves, then you can come deeper. But personally, with the Coinbase listing and potential rate cuts on, I believe, September 17th, if those rate cuts come in, SPX is going to fly. We're looking for at least $20 to $50. I think above $20 easily. $50 also quite attainable with the majority of crypto Twitter looking for $100 a coin, and the amount of interest, the amount of aeons, it's absolutely insane. It's the strongest community I've ever seen in crypto, and I've been here since 2020. So the worst case scenario, I don't think that this will play out, but if Bitcoin goes into a bear market, head and shoulders, see you later, and it's a done deal. I don't think that's the higher probability in my opinion. We're starting to get back above the daily EMAs. Look for that bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, the yellow over the blue. Another huge bullish signal, just as we did down here at 53 cents. And we shot all the way up to $2.28. That's what we're looking at for SPX. We're not trading this one. We're just believing in something, but we are in multiple trades right now for other coins. If you want completely free access to my trading group, sign up to Bitfinex. Takes 30 seconds of your time. One of the top exchanges. You can invest into SPX. You can trade it if you want, but on this channel we're not trading SPX. We're just holding to the moon. All right, guys, all you have to do is sign up. 30 seconds of your time. No oh my, excuse me. Wow, how degenerate. Send me email, and now I need to sneeze, and I will send you how rude. I will send you a link to my Discord, which includes all your favorite coins, my daily analysis, my trade signals. We just killed Ethereum. We're in 3 other trades right now, Ethereum, Giga, Turbo, all waiting for the upside to continue. Hopefully that does happen. Yours for free with the 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. That's all it takes. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.